anacondas. That's the reality of making wudu in the Amazon jungle. 4 years ago, someone in Peru joined our Dawah campaign, got materials in English in a country where they only speak Spanish, but he was still determined to give Dawah. And subhanAllah, one person took their shahada in the Peruvian rainforest. Since then, in this remote community, 40 other people have taken shahada. Omar has to fly over 1,000 kilometers, drive to the nearest port, then hire a boat just to reach them. And he started the building of this masjid for the first time for this community.
Alhamdulillah, San José de Lupuna ya empieza a tener su mezquita. Nuevamente gracias al aporte de iERA.
He'll also be delivering educational workshops, teaching them how to pray Salah and recite the Fatiha.
I was brought up as a Catholic and I was sent to a private boarding school.
How amazing is it that there is a small community of Muslims in this remote Amazon jungle learning Salah because of the small donations our supporters gave and allowed us to travel to them and share this message. And with the help of donors, we've been able to do this incredible work in the most remote places in the world, from the Amazon jungle to the island of Samoa in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. We're not asking for large amounts, but a small donation that is done regularly. Click the button and donate now.